Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, are you looking for a split floor plan that's very rare? I'm talking about a bed and a bath on one side, a bed and a bath on the opposite side, and an updated kitchen right behind me. You want some of the best amenities that this area has to offer? Friend, this park definitely has it. But Mark, it's 2026 now. We've got to have lower lot rent. Can you deliver? Friend, yes, I can. Lower lot rent, and we're not skimping on the amenities. That is for darn sure. We're back at it again, back in Dade City, one of my favorite areas of this part of Florida. We're in Blue Jay Manufactured Home Community, a 55 and older, pet-friendly community, and this park is absolutely top-notch. Clean from top to bottom, and as mentioned before, top-end amenities. Now, this home, friend, is located at 11144 Bluebird Drive, a small, quiet side street about 3 streets away from the Park Community Center and the pool. A fantastic location where drive-by traffic is literally non-existent. So, friend, if you're interested in a very rare split floor plan with a low lot rent and top-notch amenities, then for God's sakes, it's 2026 and you know what to do. Well, turn up the TV nice and loud, grab your snacks, and let's go see if we can find Uncle Harry at the pool, and come with me to come take a look at this gorgeous home here in Dade City, Florida. I'll tell you what, folks, if you're looking for an absolute stunner of a community and you want to be in a smaller town, make sure you take a look at Blue Jay Manufactured Home Community here in Dade City, as this park is absolutely fantastic from start to finish. Now, what we're going to do here on this virtual tour is take a quick walk around the outside. We're going to jump in the inside, and yes, oh yes, towards the end of the video, we will finish up with the numbers section. Hey friends, it's Mark here. Hey, sorry for the interruption. If you haven't yet done so, I want to personally invite you to come join the Mobile Home Dealer YouTube community by smashing that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime, and I look forward to seeing you a part of the community. Now, with that being said, let's get back to that home tour. So, with all that out of the way, if you're ready, I'm ready. And welcome to the virtual tour of this beautiful home located at 11144 Bluebird Drive here in beautiful Dade City, Florida. Now, friends, before we get walking and talking, let's get an idea of exactly where this home is located at here in the park. If I come on down the way, you're going to see a park bench at the end of the street. I'm going to veer left, and that is going to take me around one large circle to the front of the community with the community center. If I come on down here, the mailman's dropping off his mail. It's nice having mailboxes right outside of the front of your house. Right there is going to wrap us back around to the community center and that gorgeous pool. Now, this home has so many things to talk about. I can't wait to show it to you. The outside has been dressed up quite nicely. We got the gutters looking sharp. We got a full vinyl wrap all the way around this 1977 home. Now, it's a big house. It's gonna be 56 feet long. Okay, so I hope you got your walking sneakers on, as we're gonna need them here today. Great thing about Blue Jay is got these nice big backyards all the way around, extra sitting area to enjoy the afternoon sun. Notice the skirting has been updated towards the bottom of the home there. And of course, we got the full vinyl wrap all the way around, which is nice because sometimes when folks do the vinyl wrap, they only do it on the front. Beautiful shed, it's got power. Let's do the knock test. Yep, we got metal on the outside. Nice and solid on the inside. It's about a 1 foot step up there. It's nice that you have some tools, some extra shelving units, and of course, the big item is power in here, which is quite nice. Now, this home on Bluebird Drive is being sold fully furnished. So we got a lot of things to show you when we get in there. Before we get inside, let's take a look at this newer 2017 central AC unit. Humming like a drum, keeping us nice and cool. 2 entrances. We're gonna go through the main one. That's gonna be your side entrance. That's gonna take you directly into the living area of this beautiful property. Got a couple mascots out here saying hi to us first thing in the morning. We got out here extra early this morning to shoot this, and it looks like everybody's just getting their day started. Large driveway, tall carport, so if you have a truck or a trailer, you're gonna have plenty of space to get in here. I really like how they did the painting on the underside of this carport. That's pretty unique. You don't see that very often. Got the courtesy blinds. We got one pulled down. I just did one for the video to show you that you can keep them up or you can keep them down, but it would be pulled down all the way if you wanted to, down to the ground, keeping all the sun off it. Beautiful outdoor couch. That's staying with the home. Of course, you can move that to the back or keep that here, however you like it. It's fully built out Florida room. It's one of the nicest I've seen in a long time. Now, I love how they did the accent beams. They just didn't put up the 2x4s, they stained them, so it gave them kind of that kind of barn look, if you will. I think that absolutely separates it. And it's so cool because they did it all the way around. They just didn't do it on the up top there. They did it on the beams and then almost the trim all the way around. Now we got AC here in this Florida room. That's why you saw the AC unit as we walked into the Florida area. It's keeping us nice and cool. They got an indoor-outdoor paint on the ground, so it's gonna be easy cleanup, updated lighting fixture, and obviously plenty of power here. I like how they have it set up with the huge flat screen TV and an extra dining spot. So wrap around, there's gonna be our access to that beautiful outdoor patio. Indoor laundry units. It's a huge selling point. A lot of homes in this community do not have laundry. So to have your own laundry, and they're both functional units and they're staying with the property, that's a huge selling point in its own right. Just one step, easy access to jump into 1144. And let us know in the comments below what your initial impression of this beautiful home is. Let's jump right in. Take a look at this back bedroom. Again, this is going to be a rare split floor plan. Both bedrooms are absolutely huge, so you'll definitely see on this tour. So 2 closets, custom built in the middle. We got a queen bed in the middle of the room, and that'll give you just an idea of how much space there really is. Love how they did the beadboard on the walls. All the flooring has been updated. The overflooring and the subflooring with 3/4 inch plywood. That was done recently. So you got brand new floors all throughout the home, and that's a high dollar option. Updated medicine cabinet. Of course, you'll see the beadboard being carried over. Got a new toilet here. And then we've got the, about a 8-inch step in there for the shower stall. So come on down the hallway. We got plenty of storage, of course, side-by-side storage as you come right in. A nicely updated kitchen. Updated kitchen appliances, very open all the way throughout here with the additional lighting all the way around. Now, a couple of things I want to point out on this kitchen. Looks to be the original cabinets. They have been repainted. They do have new door hardware on them. So that's going to be something to point out. Newer fridge, newer stove. What I saw here is this oversized cabinet set up here. We get a lot of questions in the comments. Can you put in a dishwasher in? How could we set this up to make it even a little bit more modern? This is a perfect example of, in a manufactured home, you can definitely make it however you want. You could just remove the cabinet there on the right. You could drop in a dishwasher and you could be off to the races if you feel like you need one. If you don't, you just got extra cabinet space, extra counter as well. Okay, so when you're doing renovations in manufactured housing, your limit on these homes is essentially just going to be your imagination. And I wanted to show that off here in this kitchen as we get questions about that all the time. And that's just another reason why I think this home is such a stunner, because you can add it or you got the additional storage. There's our secondary entrance that we saw on the walk around. nice and open. But this is where this home is really, really setting itself apart. Okay, take a look at this. Super excited about this area. Front bedroom, full bath, and walk-in closet. I mean, holy mackerel. I can only tell you a couple times in the entire channel's history we have ever showcased something like this. Generally speaking, if it's a split floor plan, it's a half bath, and the front bedroom is usually the size of a broom closet. Not the case here. Being a 56-footer, you get all the goodies. Okay, you get plenty of space all the way around. So this is going to be a fantastic setup for visitors, roommates, multi-generational living, whatever you got going on. This home can definitely accommodate it. So having the split floor plan with two very large bedrooms, both of which appear to have queen beds in them, and space on top of that, two very nicely updated, nicely done bathrooms, this huge kitchen. You could drop a dishwasher if you wanted to. You leave it as is if you wanted to. Got the updated central AC system. All new flooring, overflooring and subflooring, guys. Don't forget the subflooring. That's where the big money comes in. That's all been done. This gorgeous built out Florida room with the extra AC unit. All the power that you could possibly want here with the flat screen. Don't forget about the indoor laundry. It's a game changer. And this quick pass through with the nice coverage there for the sun, or if it gets rainy, you can still hang out there and enjoy that. Being 2 streets away from the community pool with one of the lowest lot rents in Dade City makes this home an absolute no-brainer if you're looking for a nicely updated, low-cost living home in a smaller town, but still close to everything that it has to offer. When we talk numbers, you're going to be absolutely shocked at the price that this home is coming to market. Hey friends, welcome back. So, what did you think of this home tour? Let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature is of this home. Me personally, it's got to be the split floor plan. These homes don't come up on the market very often, and when they do, they get snapped up very quick. A bed and a bath on either side is just a fantastic way to have a single wide setup, in my opinion. Now, before we start talking about the numbers, which I know you're going to be very surprised about, make sure you take a look at our company website. We'll put that on the bottom of the screen here, sellmobilehome.com. Now, friends, that site is going to have the updated information on this home as well as everything else. Now, when we talk about numbers, you are going to be stunned at this pricing. Most homes in this community that are this nice, they go in the mid-50s to upper 60s. Not the case here, not at all. This home is coming in hot under $40,000, $38,000, and the seller said sell. Lot rent just a hair over $650 a month. Just a hair over $650 a month in Dade City, Florida is practically unheard of. So if you're looking to snap this home up quick, as we know it's going to be sold very fast, make sure you contact Keith. He is the gentleman who's doing a fantastic job in this area of Florida for the mobile home dealer team. Keith's information will pop up on the bottom of the screen here. Give him a call and send him a text and let him know that you're interested in the property located at 11144 Bluebird Drive, and Mr. Keith will be more than happy to help answer all of your questions. Well, friend, that does it for me this afternoon in Dade City. Thank you so much for coming on this virtual tour. As always, my name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer, and we'll see y'all on the next one.